Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix Android border lights not working with Siri. If you are using an Android phone and you want to fix Android border lights which are not working with Siri, so let's see how can we do this. First of all, Siri is not supported by Android versions, but if you want to fix your phone border lights, let's see how can you do it. First you have to open your phone settings. In settings, you have dynamic effects. You just have to tap on this option and here look for ambient light effect. In your phone it can be border light, so just select it, and after that you can see here are some settings which is on screen display and incoming calls. If you want to set this border light or ambient light for incoming calls, so just enable it, and then here's a notification. You can see it has already enabled. You can customize your ambient lights. Just tap on light effect for incoming calls, and here you can easily select the border light or ambient light. But if you won't find the setting in your phone, so you can easily search it. Just go to search bar, and here you just have to search for ambient light or border light. Here you can see the option of ambient light has been appeared. Just tap on it and you can fix it easily by there. If you want to use Siri, so Siri is not supported by Android version, you just have to get a setup of Google Assistant for this purpose. So that's how to fix Android border lights. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.